By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to install gems from a local source. So far, we've seen how to install gems that are hosted on RubyGems. But what if we have a gem on a local machine and want to install that gem? It's actually quite easy to do. You can use the command gem install, then use the local flag, and then type in the path to that gem on your machine. You can also include the following in your gem file in order to include a local gem in your project. The path option requires that the directory in question either contains a gem spec for the gem or that you specify an explicit version that the bundler should use. Let's go ahead and do this together. First, let's create an example gem just for testing. Now we should have a directory called local gem on our machine in the specified location. You'll need to edit the gemspec file to include all of the necessary details. You'll see that there are a lot of sections marked as to do. All of those need to be edited. Next, let's spin up a new Rails app using Rails new. We'll call this local gem app. Now, we'll open the gem file located at local gem app gem file and add the following line. Now, when we run bundle install, we'll see the following in the terminal. As you can see, the local gem we created that's currently only on our local machine is actually being used in our Rails application. Now, on your own, you'll need to complete the following. First, create a gem on your machine. Next, edit the new gem's gemspec file to remove any to-dos. Create a new Rails app that will use the new local gem. Make sure to use the path specifier when you add the local gem to your new app's gem file. And lastly, run bundle install and inspect the terminal output to make sure your Rails app is using the local gem.